calculated. There's no way tinga unonge ubale wa Malawi ndi Tanzania because of vegetables. Kulibe zimene zozo. Because of our farm produce. The consequences are very high. Then namutia Tanzania inu ifeya Malawi ndi fantho gona. I've been telling you comrades Malawians, musogololi watu uchakwera ndi watulo. That's the problem. There's nothing. When the leadership is poor in the country, aliyesa mapanga chipenda kupanga. Can't you see kutepapa tikuyaluka ndifeya Malawi? What do we have here? Tindi chani kumalawi kunoko. Someone has said it clearly. Kumalawi kuno olo ngombe zimene ngombe zatu zimene tikuweta kumalawi kuno. They're not ready for export. We can't even palibe chimene chingatisunge kumalawi kunoko minus Tanzania. Tisamana mizana papa yaya. Uyuyu minister Vitumbiko Mumba anala kwisa. With is chakwera. There's no way a newly appointed minister